What happens underneath the hood if you interact with a chatbot? How do you get a response? In order to better understand this technical process, you need to learn about intents, entities, and utterances. Let's start with intents. An intent is a predefined expected user intention. It consists of the intent name, question variations, so-called utterances or training phrases, and at least one response. As you can see in the example, the response of the chatbot is always the same. It's 28 degrees in Würzburg. But there are different questions you could ask. This is necessary because different people ask questions slightly differently. Usually one response is enough, but you could also add variations. Whether this is useful depends on your use case. And depending on your specific application, you may need more or fewer intents. You can always edit them if necessary. Sometimes the answer for questions like how is the weather has to be different for each user. They are in different locations and the weather changes regularly. So the bot needs to detect the user's current position to present information relevant to the situation. Let's have a look at the questions. We see that some words are important for your chatbot to extract information and give appropriate answers. Those words are called entities. They tell your chatbot which information it needs to access. The entity city, here Würzburg, is the location we've been asking for. After identifying all entities, the chatbot will retrieve data from APIs like OpenWeather to get a forecast for your location. So let's have a look at our example again. How is the weather in Würzburg? Our chatbot with NLP integration compares the question with all utterances in our system. Then it calculates which intent is most likely the right one. In our case, this is the intent weather. After identifying Würzburg as a location, your chatbot will retrieve the forecast for this city. The new information now becomes part of the chatbot's answer. If you have any questions, just write us a comment or contact us on BOTfriends.com. Thank you so much for watching, and let's start to create conversations.